Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhay Kumar, and I am one of the founder directors of Institute of Real Estate and Finance. Our focus is to create next generation real estate leaders. I like to give you a very important problem statement. The problem statement is that Indian real estate is now $180 billion. We are poised to become a 1 trillion real estate economy in next 10 years. So multiple times, 5 times going to multiply. And we are also the largest job provider. When I say real estate, let me tell you, Institute of Real Estate Finance see real estate as real estate, construction, and finance. We don't see real estate is only services. So anything which is required in real estate, which include construction, which include finance, is our forte. Okay, so that is how we look into it. And if you see RERA also takes care of real estate, RERA takes care of construction, and RERA takes care of finance. So real estate includes the real estate processes, the construction processes, and the finance processes. So these are core philosophies. And lots of people who are not from construction, they struggle in construction. Okay, so one of the basic thing we have to understand, the challenge and the problems of the industry. I personally believe, and lots of us we believe, real estate and construction industry is one of the most inefficient industry. It lacks innovation and research. It lacks managerial skill set. It lacks trained manpower. We are highly dependent on global technology development. Means whatever happens in Dubai, whatever happens outside, we take it and we do it here. We don't have anything of our own. We have no support for sector startup ecosystem. What do you mean by that? So you have companies, platform to manage financial technology. You have IT ecosystem for startups, but we don't see any platform to have support people who have ideas related to real estate, maybe technology, maybe core real estate, whatever. So that is lacking. Complex legal framework of the sector. That is one of the thing. Because of that, we have huge challenges. So we have a government law, the center law, which is again RERA, then state law, we have land laws, then you have municipal laws. So this is one of the businesses which is very much complex in terms of legal. Okay. And the eighth and most important part is lack of consumer issue redressal system. What do you mean by this? That if a customer comes to you and say, I have this problem to a developer, it take hell amount of time to solve it. Now, why I'm saying and why I think it's very important for you guys to understand it. First, because of this RERA, lots of data came to us. Now, if you see anything which is very efficient, you have very big players there. Like example, if I say telecom industry, let's assume telecom is very, very efficient. How many percentage of market share Jio, okay, have? If 100% is market share, what is the percentage of market share owned by Jio? 38%, 40%. Now, if I say software industry, what is the largest pie taken by top 10 IT companies? Top 10 IT companies. If we combine top 10 IT companies, what is the percent of business or the market share we are looking for? Now, if I take top 10% of real estate players, how much market share it will be? So the largest player, which is Lodha or DLF, they do not have more than 1 or 2% combined. So I'm talking about last 10%, it will be not more than 3 to 5%. Now, this is a problem. In any efficient industry, you will have a player which will have 40-50% of market share. Why? Because in efficient industry, one player takes a heavy pie of a market. And this helps any market to improve. Example, suppose in telecom, Jio owns 40% of it. So if there's a problem in Jio, if it improves the problem, the 40% market will improve. So efficiency of sector also depends upon how much players we have. In real estate, we have thousands and thousands and lakhs of players. And that is the biggest problem of efficiency. And let me tell you that sooner or later, after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, there's a possibility that there will be 4 or 5 players which will be having 15-20% of the market share. I'm telling you that Godrej is moving towards it. Couple of more companies are moving. So as some company move the market share, this industry improves. But till that time, it is not there. It becomes very inefficient. And that's why if there are thousands and thousands of players, you require someone to regulate. So a sector which have lots of players which do not hold majority stakes, government need to intervene. And in all these cases where government has intervened, it has given a good structure to the market. Okay. So challenge is we are very big. There is no big player. We have lots of players. Everybody is doing according to themselves. Okay. Nobody is listening to anyone. So who they will listen to? So they will listen to government.